Hello again, Unistrut UK team. I'm going to look at a couple of more features in this template we have here for you guys. I'm just testing it out, and I'm going to show you some things that we can do here. Now, we mentioned something about a 1.2 meter wide tray, or that's 1200 mil. So what we can do here, I can go here and grab the 1200. So I'm going to go here into my Systems tab, go to Cable Tray, cancel that, and I'll drop all the way down to this is the 1200 right here. So I'll pick the 1200 again. Here, we want to change this. It's not, you don't see it there, but you can just key it in. So don't let that worry you if you don't see that there. And then I'll draw this 1200 millimeter cable tray. 1200 millimeter wide, that's the equivalent to our US 4 foot. Actually, this is a little more than 4 feet. So there's our tray. And then again, now we can do our bend here. So I'm going to just run this out here like so. And there's our bend at, let me see, I think this is still 600. Yes, this is a 600 mil bend. But, okay, now you see what happened? It'll automatically change the radius. So that's a 1200 bend because we couldn't do it. There's no way we can get a 600 in here. Let's see what happens if we do this here. So this is Revit. Well, actually you could. But we want this to be 1200. So this is how you manipulate the radius bends. Now, right now, we're sort of out of touch with our schedule and our part numbers because we have them here generated based on the part numbers from the fittings. So, like there's that cable tray I just put in. It's 150 high, it's 1200. Now I can go and grab this guy here and just do, let's go with a T here. So just go here in the cable tray, select it there, and I'll just, see this is the 900, let's leave that at 1200. So again, 1200, you key that in. Oops. The reason why we're doing this is because these are all instance parameters. And they just work better this way instead of type. So there's our T. Now here, we're going to grab this guy here now, and we can change this radius on this T. Let's see. Now we go over here in our type properties, and this radius is 300. So we can just go right here and simply change this to 1200 millimeters. Okay, the cable tray has been modified. Okay, so we'll delete element here. So that's not going to work. So what happened was it deleted out some spaces that wouldn't fit there. So now I'm going to go in and I'm going to draw my cable tray again. So right now I'm dropping down to a 900. Okay, and there's my fitting there, my reducer. Now I'm going to go again here. I'm going to extend this a little bit more, but this time I want to go and change the justification here. So right now we have center and middle. I want to cancel this. I maybe have to do another video on that one. Okay, cancel that. Yeah, we'll do another video for that. Now there's our 900, and then you wanted another one in here. You wanted a 850, I think it was. So let's go to the 850. Again, we'll go into our property, our type editor, our type selector. And there's the 850. So let's click the 850 up. And let's just put it in here. Let's draw it from here. Okay. And remember this guy. Always got to change this every time because this is giving you the actual size. I mean, once you get it in, it'll stay that. But what's happening with Revit? Draw this cable tray up. Cable tray. I'll just draw it right there. And this is going to be the 850. Again, I could just key it in 850 here and draw. So there it is. There's my reducer. And then I could drop this down all the way down to 300 if I want. So let's go to 500. And we'll change this to 500. And if you don't see it, you can just key it in, because it's working with the formula it built into the family. Could show you that, but that's another class. There's our drop down. So we're dropping down smaller and smaller and smaller. So you have that ability with these. And then another thing we can do, I cannot even do this, but I don't want you to get in the habit of this. So I can take this guy and bend him that way, and he becomes a 45, but that's going to be another template. But you can adjust these in your model while you're working. The customer, he can go and he can chip things around, say like, oh, I want that there. So, okay, so this is another template. I've got this guy ready for you. Should be ready to go. And then here's my schedule here. These are what I put in, so everything you see here, I can do this as well. I can grab this guy and I can say highlight a model. So there's those pieces are that I put in. So there's that one, and that's the actual length. There's that piece. Okay, that's in another schedule. So these are just runs, straight runs. So I select that one. If I select this one, okay. So there are all our pieces and everything, and those are the lengths. So hey, I'm going to get these out to you. This is the 600, and we'll work. We got a 300 going. I did the 600 because that was the most common over here in the U.S. We tend to use 12-inch bends, which is your 300. But I got your 300 going, and that'll be coming next. But this is a good start for you, I think. And you got any questions or comments, please let me know. All right, cheers, mate, and see you next time. Bye.